Okay, so thought I'd make a video doing a covered call. Most of the videos I do are cash secured puts because probably 80 to 90% of my selling of options is cash secured puts, but I thought I would do one doing a covered call, just add some variety. So anywho, BBAI right here on the 3rd of June, I did a cover call and I had the expiration date of the 18th of June, which is 8 days away still. But anyhow, on the 9th, I went ahead and closed it and made $140. So I sold that for 24 cents. When I closed it, I got 10 cents. And these are some information things here. So my basis is 442. So I need to do cover calls above 442. Otherwise, I'd be taking a loss if they got assigned. And we'll see how things go here. So anyhow, let's take a look at the option chain. So I'm already in BBAI on Fidelity in the option chain. And instead of puts, I got cover calls. Click here, or calls. And what I'm looking at is, well, let's look at the 18th here. So June 18th, which is a week from Friday. So it's like 8 days away. So I need to do at least 450 to break even. So it looks like 450 here. Give me 8 cents per share. So I have 1,000 shares. So that would be $80. That's not enough to make me too excited. So let's look at June 26 here. Let me check these here so we make sure we're not getting confused. So on the 26th, I'm looking at 14 cents or 15 cents. So there's that much difference between the bid and the ask. So a lot of volume and activity with BBAI. And the reason why it's a cheap stock. So if you want to get started with option trading and you have like $500, you could do option trading with BBAI. Now, am I recommending BBAI? Well, probably not. If I look at the analysis tab, BBAI is probably nothing I want to probably own long term. So you can see the earnings here. There's not much for insights. There's one buy, two holds, and just not a lot of I don't know, information or research. So it looks like the price target is like at 533. So owning it at $4, I'm okay with that, I guess. So remember, this option bucket of money I'm using is strictly to generate income. It's not for buy and hold and hope the price doubles overnight. If BBAI did nothing except trade in the range between $4 and $5 a share, just go up and down forever, I would be just fine with that because I'd be skimming option money all along and just having fun doing it. So let me jump back over here to my option tracking. So this BBAI trade I had, I made 3% off my capital of $4,500. So remember, I have 1,000 shares at 442. So I got like $4,500 invested in this. So annualized, that was like 189% return. So if I could do 3% return on this every couple of weeks, that would be nice. So getting back to this, I think I'll do June 26th. Let's look at July 2nd. I usually like doing monthly options, which would be the 18th of June or the 17th of July. July 2nd is like right in the middle. So 450, that's 17 cents. The 26th is 14 cents or 15 cents. So I think I'm just going to stick with the 26 here. So I'll do sell at 14 cents. Okay, I'm going to do 10 contracts because I got 1,000 shares. So I'm doing a sell to open. Remember, I'm selling. So no matter if I own the stock already or if I'm doing for a cover call or if I don't own the stock and I'm doing an option cash secured put, no matter what I'm doing, I'm still selling an option. Just one's a put and one's a call. A little confusing. So if I already own the stock, I'm doing a call. If I don't own the stock, it's a put. So I have 1,000 shares of BBAI. So I'm going to do 10 contracts and the expiration date is going to be June 26th, 450 strike price. So what I'm saying is that if the price of BBAI is at least 450 or higher on June 26th, I will sell my 1,000 shares of BBAI for $4.50 a share. And for offering that out there to the internet or whoever wants to take me up on the deal, I'll make $140 for selling this option. Okay. So if the price does not hit 450 and is not at 450 on June 26th, let's say it's 425, this will expire. I don't sell my shares. I keep my shares, but I keep the $140. Okay. So kind of in that previous example that I showed you. So let's go ahead and so 14, this should fill pretty quickly. Place order. Okay, I jumped over to my other screen, looked at the activity there. So it filled at 14 cents. So $133. So let's go ahead and fill that out on the option tracking spreadsheet. I sold, today is the 10th, and we did that for June 26, BBAI. We did a cover call, and the strike price was 450. Did 10 contracts. So you could do this with one contract. Like I'm going to make $115 approximately. You'd only make like $15, but it's still like a 3% return in 1 month or whatever it might be. So it got filled at 14 cents. Had to look for a minute. So this is what account I'm trading out of. This is my Roth IRA. So I don't have to worry about taxes in this thing. So this is how much the stock is trading at the moment, $4.04. And it was a 0.32 delta. So if you don't know what that is, delta means a couple things. The one thing you kind of look at it as is the percent odds that you will get a sign. So there's approximately a 32% chance that BBAI will be at 450 per share on June 26th, and that these shares will be taken away from me at 450. So that's kind of one thing you can use the delta for. So you look at some of my deltas here, like 0.06, very, very small odds that this is going to be at that price on this certain date. So if this goes all the way to zero on the 26th, that would be a 3% return. That'd be 70% annualized, and I'll make $140. Well, I've already made the 140. I'll just be able to keep the entire 140. In reality, like I did the other one, I closed it early. Let's say it gets to 5 cents, I close it early. And let's say that happens on, I don't know, let's say a week from now, tossing a date in there. So let's say I close this on the 17th and I buy it back for 5 cents. I will have made $90. It's a 2% return on my money, but 104% annualized return. So that's calculated into the spreadsheet I got. Okay, that's all there is to it. Short little video showing how to do a cover call. If you like this type of thing, go ahead and subscribe. Every Friday, I usually update everybody on what trades I made for the week and show you what is profitable and what's not profitable. And I also share the good and the bad. I share every trade. Some YouTubers only cherry pick their best trades, and then they try to sell you a membership or Discord membership or something like that. I don't sell anything. Well, I sell options, but I don't sell anything to anybody else. I just show what I'm doing, teaching people. You can see the examples I'm doing. You can learn from my examples. You can learn the good and the bad. I'm not trying to make a buck off anybody. If those option traders are really making, 50,000 a month, like, why are they selling memberships? I don't know. I suppose their times were something, but my times were something too. So I'll make probably $2 off this YouTube video. So be sure to like and subscribe so I can make $3 per YouTube video. All right. We'll see you next time.